Ah, buenísimo. Hello. Hello, Noemi.
Hello, dear friends.
Hello.
I am Noemi.
I am Angel from Argentina.
And I am from Bolivia, friends, and now I am in Argentina as well.
The planet. We are from the planet.
The planet.
Yeah.
And we are with Education 3000, and we have a beautiful program today. We won't go back to school. We will go back to life. Yeah, many people say, yes. Okay, after this 2 months and a half, what are we going to do? And many people say, we go back to normality or to normal life. You know what? We won't go back to normal life.
No, please.
No, please. Because it was not a normal life.
Yeah.
It was work, 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 and blah, 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 and not seeing each other, and no love, and no nature, and nothing. We won't go back to that. So, where do we go back?
Where?
How? With what?
When?
And when? So all that, it's a reflection now, today, for now, and for what we really want, and how we can achieve that. It's a very good opportunity to change education and to do really what we want. The education that the children really want, and they scream, we want that fun, and we want that. The education that the parents we do want, more relaxed, no stress. I mean, it's not military school. It's a school for life.
No.
And the school we need as a society. We need a better, clean planet, better care of everything. I mean, we have 3 good reasons to change that now. And what do you mean by life? Did you put this this flyer?
Yes. And what is the role for the fathers? Like a father, the school say a thing, we want to do other things. How we can complain?
We can complain.
The normal school with.
As a father, you want to change.
Yes. Because of the children, because they implore.
They do.
Yes.
We prepare some slides for you. We can see the first one.
Yes.
Just be conscious, you, me, everybody, that we really make a change. We can really change education. We at the end of the story, with the parent, the teachers, institution, we have the power to change and to really say what we want, listen to each other, and be part. It's called co-creation. We really have this power. I mean, we have to trust ourselves too. So we could go back to life, go back to a school or to an education with another vision. We want life for the planet. We want the children to be happy and alive. Yes. You know, when they go back and they say, look, Dad, I did that, and I ran and I climbed trees and I did a bunch of projects. Because if they're happy, they learn much better. This is known by neuroscience because of the serotonin, the dopamine, and the endorphin, and the oxytocin. They learn much better. They are practical, they are creative, they are happy. And they have a long-term memory.
Yeah.
This is what we want.
Yes, of course.
Yes. Yeah, you like the idea.
Yes. Happy, please.
Please. Yeah. And the happy child, you know, they fly, they learn so fast. And then the parents are happy. And then the teacher is so important. No stress. The teacher feels good. The teacher can relax. And the teacher is not so tired and tiring too, by the way. And this is what we call life. Be alive again and be nice to each other again and be full of enthusiasm and project and activities.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Let's go to the next one.
Yes.
Shall we go to the next one?
Okay.
So this is what we want. And it's not so complicated. To listen and to trust. To listen, everybody, colleagues, parents, teacher, parents, kids, parents, young people, kids. You know, young people are very good educators. and to trust.
What?
To trust who?
In
What?
what? In what?
Two things. Trust the children, they are very good ideas, and the young people, listen to them, and trust oneself. Self-esteem. Of course we can do it. Of course I can be in peace with my job, profession, and my family.
Yes. What the children want to do.
They have a lot of ideas.
Yeah.
And you know, when they do what they like, what they want, what they ask for, they decide. They are incredible.
Yesterday, my son.
What happened?
He was looking an audiobook, and I want to stop it because he was doing other thing. So when I stop, why? You are doing other thing. I don't have to pay attention to understand, to learn it, to learn. I don't have to stay. I was hearing.
That's correct, Angel. You know what? It's called multitask intelligence, and they have the faculty to do to be multitasker. And because of the right brain can do several things at the same time, and they are kids of the right brain as well. So please, dad and mom and teachers, let them do several things, and let them be multitask people. That's easy. Fantastic. And they will learn better. Actually, my daughter was doing 5 things at the same time, and because she said, because I'm more concentrated, I need to do that. If not, I'm bored and I don't pay attention. So if you want them to pay attention, give them several things. The contrary of us, that's all. Just when we know the trick, that's it. It's easy. A flexible formula. Let me see what we have here.
Clubs, workshops, home. What does it mean? A formula.
Yeah, the formula is like, yes, we can be in the house, do homeschooling, but it can be mixed. We can have a club, like the class or the school can be a club with workshop, or it can be TV, can have nice program, or online as well, and to have a lot of activities. So it will be like a blend, a mix, because people say, oh, Noemi, it's going to be all digital. Or they say, no, Noemi, it has to be the school and it has to be physical. I mean, you have to be in situ.
For everyone.
I go again.
Okay.
People say, Noemi, it's going to be all digital and only digital, the screen. And other people say, no, they have to go back to school and it has to be physical.
Yeah.
No, it can be both.
Okay.
And we can mix with TV program, internet program, clubs, class, traveling, homeschooling as well. We can stay 2 days in a home, why not? A lot of activities, sports, and we can have a little bit of everything. And we will try, because we demonstrate to the world through this quarantine, this forced vacation, that we can change education, because we didn't go to school for 2.5 months, and we learned, really, we did learn many things, and many other ways to interact, many other ways to have the kids talking to each other, even across the borders. So now we are rich, we know many different ways, we explored different ways.
And they want, the kids want everything.
And they want everything. They want the friend. They want to go back to school for the friend.
Yes.
But they are used now to go to internet, so they can have a class in 10 minutes, really. And they want to travel, and they want sport, and they want to have fun, like a club. This is what I see. Okay. And we put 3 examples, like this is very important too, meaning, please, 2 things when we come back to school. It's not to recuperate all the topics and go like crazy to finish up the curricula or syllabus. No, they learned a lot and that's enough. And no exams, at least up to 10 years old. That way we reduce the stress and we make school more pleasant, both for the teacher and for the children, and it's healthy. And mind you, in Finland and in Singapore, they stop the exams for little children. Fantastic. And the second one is evaluation. We evaluate the activity, not the teacher, not the children. The activity was nice, what can be improved, did they like it, but it's at the activity, so the focus is on the activity.
It was boring, no more this activity.
Yeah, or it was fantastic and we can improve it, and this will reduce a lot of stress.
Yeah.
It's a good idea.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have another idea for the exam to do it with video games. Let's go because the 20 minutes are going to fly by.
Okay.
We call this socio, what?
Multi,
very good, education. So the future and the very near future, we are not talking about 2050, 50. We are talking about a couple of months, and by 2021, I do hope education will open up to social multi-education. That means to have a bigger role. So teachers, and if you see this video, be happy. You will have a lot of things to do, but it will be different. First, there's 4 points. It will be for everybody in the old ages. So we can teach as well the community, the parents, the grandparents. We can change the school as a center for everybody. And that's why it's called social.
But in the same place, the kids?
It can be the kids in the morning, and at night you can have class for the parents, and at the end of the weekend we can have for everybody, and we can have activities like plant trees and help with the town hall to do something for the town and have social activities. So the kids are really into real life.
But in the same place, the kids with the same age or
it different? Can be mixed. It can be, it depends. It's known pedagogically that multi-grade, when the kids are mixed, they work much better. And when bigger kids can teach smaller kids, it works very good. So we can use all that, of course. Then it will be local activities, but with international vision. Like they will learn, we will learn about the world, we are one. But the action will be very local, and we will help everybody. So it will be practical. 3 will be, it will attend all the levels of development of the human beings, not only cognitive, emotional, physical, ecological, intuitive, social, aesthetic, art, ecology, I said it, practical, and personal development. All that is going to be attended. So you see, teacher, we'll have a lot to do and a lot of activity to prepare. And number 4 would be multi-social and multicultural. We will welcome all the culture, all the different languages, and all the different, social issues. It will be for everybody.
Why?
Because it's part of Peace Culture Program. Peace Culture Program that we have, and I know some schools.
It's open your mind.
It open your minds. I know a school in Bolivia. They have all people from different neighborhood and from different cultures, and they from very little, and they really go together very, very well. And this is why we call it social multi-education. I think we have one more.
Very good.
And it's a long program. We have a 25 sub-program to do all that. And we see the school as it's called a beacon or lighthouse, lighthouse for the boats? Yeah. So the school will be like where new paradigms, ethic, new source of energy, new technology, new way of living, new multicultural issues, peace culture, no violent communication, hands-on, new technology will be inside the school. And with that, we co-create a new society. So that's a new role of the school.
And you don't sport?
Oh, yes. A lot of physical activity, climbing, sport, if possible, not too competitive, play, karate, martial art, capoeira, swim, climb mountains, and have a climbing wall inside the patio, and have a lot of dances. Yes, definitely.
To move the body.
To move the body, and the teacher too. Yes, parkour. And that will be very, very nice. So let's do it, and everything we dream or we think we have to do is a moment to say it, to raise your voice, to listen to the children, and to do it, because now everybody's looking for solutions. So it's very good. We can make a nice alliance with teachers and parents, because we are both concerned with education, and simply do it. And say, no, my kids want that, and the kids too. And as things are much more open now, and by the end of June and July, it's going to be more open. In Europe, it's going to vacation. So for September, we can really have something very nice. For South America, it will be a winter vacation. So by August, we can have plans and have a beautiful, beautiful, comprehensive education for everybody and for you, kid, and for Elias.
Fantastic. Elias is my son.
Yes.
Okay.
See you soon. Take care. We are together. Thank you for what you do. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Oh. Ah, se para que